Picture a busy factory floor, tight cycle times, safety risks, and strict OEE and PPM targets, where one mistake can lead to delays, defects, and increased risk, jeopardizing both safety and reliability. Yet, traditional training methods often exclusively rely on paper manuals, static presentations, and occasional hands-on sessions. It's slow, inconsistent, and cannot adapt to changing job needs, quickly becoming outdated. Onboarding new staff is time-consuming, and as experienced employees retire and turnover increases, organizations face a skill shortage that reduces production efficiency. That's where ATS comes in. ATS has a complete virtual training ecosystem that supports your workforce at every stage, before, during, and on the job. It starts with UReality Core, a simple, accessible way to practice tasks safely in a digital environment, right from a PC or browser. Perfect for onboarding and repetition, so operators and technicians can build confidence before they even touch the machine. Then comes UReality VR, where training becomes fully immersive. Operators can step into realistic high-fidelity simulations and experience complex or high-risk tasks in a safe space. They don't just learn the steps, they understand the environment, the scale, and the consequences. And when it's time to perform in the real world, TaskNav is there, providing step-by-step guidance directly at the machine, ensuring tasks are executed correctly, documented, and compliant every single time. Combined with in-person trainings, these solutions provide a smooth transition from learning to practice to execution. Have a change in process? Training content can easily be updated, so your workforce always gets relevant, up-to-date guidance. The impact? Faster onboarding builds employee confidence, leading to fewer mistakes, safer operations, as well as cost savings with quick ROI. Consistent training on best practices, scalable across shifts and plants, and no additional trainers or travel time needed. This isn't just training, it's a smarter way to build skills. ATS. Visit our website to learn more.